guys, I'm Nan at American River Ace Hardware, and I'm going to show you guys how to make a face mask out of bandanas, velcro straps, coffee filters, and rubber bands. So the first thing you want to do is put your coffee filter in the middle of the bandana, fold it in half, fold a couple more times.
Did you say buddy two? Yeah, two.
And then go ahead and put your rubber bands at each end. You're going to fold it into its other end, like so. And then to relieve the pressure off your ears, you can use the Velcro strap to go around your head. All right, there we go. I hope you found this video helpful, and we actually have all of these essential items in the store at American River Ace Hardware.